In this video, we are unboxing RLC 520 PoE IP camera, showing you how to install and set it up in minutes. When you open the box, you'll find your RLC 520 camera and other parts that help install and use it right away. This Power over Ethernet Turret Security IP camera boasts incredible 5-megapixel Super HD video quality and 80 degrees wide viewing angle, 18 pieces of infrared LEDs, up to 100 feet clear night vision, plus advanced 3D DNR technology, offering you absolute peace of mind around the clock. IP66 certified weatherproof, working perfectly anywhere, anytime. Built-in mic for audio recording. And micro SD card socket, supporting up to 64 gigabytes local storage for motion clips. One cable with 3 types of connectors: the network cable, the power port, and the reset button. Now, let's power on RLC 520 and set it up. Connect the camera to a PoE switch via an Ethernet cable. Connect the PoE switch to your router and power on the PoE switch. Open Reolink app. Tap the uninitialized device card and follow in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Then, you'll see the live videos on your phone. Now, follow these really easy steps to install the camera. Please mount the camera upside down outdoors or on your ceiling. Put the mounting plate on the ceiling to help the installation. Twist off the base plate, then drill holes and screw the base plate on the ceiling in accordance with the mounting sticker. Align the camera with the base plate, then lock it in position. You may use the provided waterproof lid to prevent water intrusion and ensure long-lasting performance. For better image or video quality, avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid areas where it's too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using Reolink RLC 520, visit support.reolink.com.